NephroChoice also gives you the ability to provide telehealth and chronic care management services that will boost your quality of care. With the onset of new regulations, the additional services your practice offers have become center stage. Whether you're in MIPS or APMs, you've had to make some changes. Because we want to be your true partner in care, we've made some changes as well. NephroChoice now offers a completely integrated telehealth module that allows you to begin a visit from inside your patient's chart, whether you're using your smartphone or your desktop computer. Anywhere Care allows you to offer expanded access to care and, in turn, increases patient engagement and satisfaction, all while helping you meet some requirements of the quality payment program. It will also help your practice remain competitive in what is now the fastest growing segment in the healthcare industry. By offering telehealth, your patients will be able to overcome travel obstacles, get care when they're not well enough to leave the home, and even avoid unnecessary time off work. But that's not all NephroChoice brings to your practice. We've moved beyond simply providing technology to become your true partner in care by providing chronic care management services through our Health Watch division. Our team of nurses and certified medical assistants will check in with your patients every month to ensure that they're following their care plan, taking medications, and aren't having any new symptoms, concerns, or questions that you need to know about. They'll even help your patients get discounts on their prescriptions and find other helpful services that they may qualify for. Chronic care management provides your practice with additional income or can be used to pay for the software your practice requires. Of course, we also offer things like appointment reminders, e-faxing, e-prescribing, electronic statements, and many more features that your office may want. We are truly your single source solution for all of your practice's needs. You can see everything we have to offer by calling one of our representatives today to schedule a live demonstration at your convenience.